Hey RBs, this is RB and welcome to my channel RBanaChopper. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm back with a very important recipe for Holi. Holi is incomplete without lassi. So today I'm going to make a lassi but with some twist. Today I'm going to make Paan flavored lassi. It's a very unique recipe and it's great for your health and it's really very tasty. So please make this recipe at your home and let me know about what you think, and please like this video and please watch till the end, and if you're new to this channel then please subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell. So let's go to the recipe now.